So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it's been a long since I was offline and it's I guess almost 27 days since the last video. So I'm back with my XPlayVerse series. So I have made some major and the minor changes over my project. So let me just demonstrate to you over this. And sorry for the delay because I was having my end sem exams, so I just have to focus over that. And sorry for the same. Now let's start with the video. So first of all, the major change that I have implemented was the Google Auth. I have integrated Google Authentication over my project. Now the reason was that many people are like lazy like me. Like we go on to some website and we are like, bro, I don't want to fill this a large like a form. So what I have to do, I just want to click one button and just I want to make my login complete, or I just want to make a sign up without filling that old style lazy form. So what I decided, why not implemented that in my project also, so that some lazy people like me will enjoy it. So this video is going to be very raw, no edits, nothing, only a simple screen recording and my video, that's it. So let me just start. So this is my landing page, and then when you click on the login, you will get a button with the sign up with the sign up with Google. But when you go on the sign up, you will not get anything like that. But so make sure you are going to login, and then when you click in the sign in with Google, you will be asked with the different Google accounts which you generally do. So I will just choose one of that, and after choosing a single account, yes, we will be redirected directly to the feed page. So when you click on the profile wala section, here you can see the username is automatically generated by the Google, and the name will be taken by the Google, and the email will be same, that is the email you choose. Default avatar, that is a normal letter A. So here you can, if you want, you can obviously edit your username. Let's edit it to something like the X test. So here you can see my username is now updated. So here you can do all the basic things that you were doing, but just now the login process is very simple. So this was the first part of my major update that I have made. Now the second update was the implementing JWT and using the bcrypt. Now you might be guys like, you have already implemented JWT, right? But I have made a major changes over the same. So let me just show you what I have changes. So this is my auth middleware. So this is my actual JWT wala code. So here you can see there is all the static things, but the major change that we did was for the cookies. So basically when the user was login, so the JWT was for the whole time till the time he log out. But now we have added a refresh tokens where we are just making the user to log in again after the 10 minutes. So the expiry for the JWT and the cookie will be for 10 minutes only. And I have also integrated one major thing, that is, where is the models folder? Yeah, so here I have implemented the indexes. So basically what are the indexes? Indexes allow us to fetch the data really fast from the databases. So as I'm using the MongoDB free tier version, and we don't have many users right now, but maybe in the futures there is a scope that there will be a large user base for our application. So with that reference, I have created the indexes also. So and now the third major update was the using of the bcrypt. Now yeah, you heard it right, it was a bcrypt. Till now all the users were storing their password directly into our database via single plain string or a simple normal text string. Normal text was saved. So if I'm entering the password into the form something like 123, then it will be saved into database as 123. With the Google Auth, it is skipped. The person who are logging with the Google don't need any password or anything like that. It will be auto managed by Google. But when the user was logging in using its normal form, but when the user was logging with the website's form or the application form, then he was asked to enter the password. So in the user controller, when we go on the sign up also, so here you can see I use the hash password and the hashing rounds are 10. So basically we are not supposed to reveal the hashing rounds, but still I am revealing the hashing rounds, that is of the 10. So basically if I will change it, obviously I will change it after this video, I will change it to something different value so that hashing rounds are secure and my password will be secure. So till now the users who are logging may face some issues and they have to create their account again. So I will make sure I am deleting the data from the database. But yeah, there are not much uses. So if you want to register, the link is in the description, so go and just try out my XPlayVerse. It is freely deployed over the Netlify. And for the login also, we are just comparing the password with the so in the terms of comparing, we don't need to pass the hashing around. It will be auto detected by the bcrypt. And one major thing, was that when a specific user is logging with the Google Auth, then his JWT will be signed for the 7 days, because he is a lazy person. So we will not ask him to log in again and again for a duration of a week. Although you might think it will be a security concern, but what I think is that only it will be a good idea. So while the person who are logging using the normal email and password, they will have the JWT sign for 10 minutes only. So that was the major updates that I did in the XPlayVerse. So I thought it was helpful. So thanks for watching, and sorry for the delay in the videos. Now I will regularly upload the videos based on the XPlayVerse, and there are also going to be major updates over my project. So stay tuned for the same. And I will also integrate some other projects. So I am working currently on some high-end project. So stay tuned for the same. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.